Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. We're getting ready for vacation and I have to run to the store and pick up a couple of things from Walmart. I thought I'd take you along and show you how we're getting ready to go. Like I said, we're gonna be leaving this later this week, but we have divvied up some ideas for dinners, snacks we love to share. And this is a vacation that we like to go with our friends. So we've done it every year, even sometimes twice a year. I think this is our fourth time or third time spending it all together, third or fourth. Anyways, we love doing it. So we are going to be heading out very soon, like I said, in the next few days. And so I just wanted to show you some of the tips that I have to get ready for vacation, but let's first go to Walmart. Let me finish up my vacation shopping so I can be ready and hopefully not forget something. So I'm on my way. Okay, phew, I know that I didn't show you a ton inside Walmart, but I also wanted to hurry up and get out of there. But let me show you what I got. Not a ton, but things that I needed for the vacation. Let me show you. There are some things I just needed. So I got some apples because we were out, but I did get these for vacation. I know it's a lot of convenience, but with Paul being pretty gluten-free and I am trying to help him with that as in snacks or treats. I picked up some ham and some more cheese because I make those into a special lunch, and some ketchup because we were out. This also baggies because we were out, but I picked up some sour cream, and that's going to be some onion dip to take on our vacation to share. And I was very low on some minced onion. So that's bag number one. And then I picked up some clothes. Jonas he's growing out of a lot of his shorts. So I just picked him up a couple new pairs. He actually specifically asked for this color. So let's see if we have shirts that'll match that, but that's okay. Some black ones. And then I did buy him some dress shoes recently. And they were size 8.5 in men's, and they were too tight on him. So I knew it was only going to be a matter of a couple months or so before he couldn't wear them, or a month. So I found these. These are size 10s, you guys, in adults, and they were $5. So you may want to check out your clearance at Walmart because I think they're pushing out a lot of the summer stuff to get their fall stuff in. I got Paul a couple of pairs of shorts, and then these were only $5.50. These cotton collared polos, which I love how they feel. They don't have that bumpy feel. I mean, I'm all about clothes that just feel good too on you, and I hope he likes them. I always get just one little thing of toilet paper when I go shopping, and then I picked up a couple of pizzas for Kobe because they're always an emergency. And a big thing of Dr. Pepper, which I was only trying to get a 12-pack, but they didn't have any. But that's also going to be for vacation. And then I picked up about 5.5 pounds of ground beef, and I'll let you know why. So our friend group decided that we wanted to do dinner together on one of the nights. So we're only going to be in one location for a couple of nights and another location for a couple of nights. So for one of the nights, we're sure to help costs, we make dinner all together. So we decided to make tacos. So I'm in charge of doing the taco meat. So I'm just going to cook that up, add my seasonings, and probably add some Rotels. So it's going to be nice and chunky. And I bet the kids aren't going to like it. I'll rethink this, but that's okay. We will have yummy tacos, and then I'm gonna also grate some cheese, put these all in the freezer and as flat as possible so I can put them in the coolers and take it up with us. And it'll be okay if it thaws out or, it's still really cold because we're just gonna use it the next day. So it's totally fine. So when you guys go out of town, when there are family reunions, what do you guys do? Is tacos an option? Because it should be. So let me get this going, and then I'll show you some other things that I'm doing to get ready for vacation. So I finished grating cheese. The meat is done. I made it a little special with the Rotel. So it's a little bit on the kick, it has more kick to it, which so good. So I also smashed it up as much as possible. So in case the kids don't really like the tomatoes in it, I've smashed it up so much that you can barely tell. So let me show you up close. Wow. I can't wait to have that. So all right, this is ready to go into the freezer. It's gonna be part of my ice pack, so to say, for the sodas. And I'm just so happy because it turned out so yummy. You guys, I have to show you something else. Look at my cute little apron. My mother-in-law, she's just wonderful. She was super excited about sending me this special apron she made me. So if you can see, you probably can't from that view, but there's little rolling pins on it. Aw, thanks, Sandy. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer now and show you some more upstairs. Oh, hey, just heading upstairs with laundry, but that's okay because the next thing I'm gonna show you is kind of along these lines with laundry. Okay, please don't mind the mess. Have some laundry. Things get a little bit rough the couple days before we leave. So I do that on purpose because the day before we leave, I do a really good deep down clean. So that way my house will be nice and clean before I leave. But in the meantime, I have to look at some eyesores. So I'm already gonna be packing this because we're taking this with us. But you guys, as I'm doing laundry, I am putting laundry away and packing it right into the luggage. So that way I can just make it easy for myself. So in here I have little boy's outfits for 2 days, and I'm going to be packing Paul and I are something for 2 days, and then we're going to be going somewhere else. So I'll pack all of our family in one luggage for 2 more days. Let me know some of your tips in the comments below. If you have kind of like a check-off list, do you make a list? Do you just put things out on the counters the day before so you're not forgetting anything? I kind of do that. And you guys, I always forget something. So I'm like determined. And it's usually something small like floss or, you know, headache medicine or something like that. So I'm going to just try to make sure in the next couple of days, which is tomorrow will be the 2 days before we go. And so I'm going to start putting things all over the counters, upstairs and downstairs. So do you do the same thing? Do you use packing cubes? Some of my luggages, I do have packing cubes, and those are super efficient for sure. So I need to put this away and pack it too. Oh, another thing that I forgot is I do pack bedding in a huge IKEA bag. Do you guys have these IKEA bags? They are ginormous. So this will be perfect to take some pillows and some blankets for these cots that we're taking up with us for the boys. Perfect. Plus, those are actually pretty good if you're gonna use, if you're in the snow and you're gonna go down a mountain and do some sledding. You can do it in that bag. Just saying. So I have here a spot designated on my dining table, which will be everything that I'm taking on vacation. I'll just bring a little bit down at a time. And you can see I already have some coolers going. I have our camp Fram bags for all of the kids, which I will give those right to them. I am also in charge of some crafts. So I have in here lots of little things that, from bracelets to painting little signs. There's gonna be a little bit of fun for everybody, I hope. And just starting to get all of our some more food here. Just starting to get things situated so that I might even start packing the car in the next the next day or so. We need some camping chairs, those kinds of things. So the takeaway with all of this is not only am I planning ahead, like with the cleanup and stuff, by making it easier on myself to just pack things as I clean them, so to say, but also just not waiting until the last minute, which when you have older kids and it's just you, I totally understand that. Just a thought, I'd love to hear some of your takeaways when you're going out of town, and let me know also in the comments what you guys want to see. Do you want to see where we eat? Do you want to see some of the funness that we're having? Do you want to see some of the fun things that we're planning? I'm gonna say yes to all of that. As much as I can, I will do that. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful evening. Thanks for coming by the channel. Give it a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed my packing tips for today. So have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone. Gotta go do some more packing.